troops here in just a second, including Mike Seidel. Mike, the snow has been coming down and it's been stranding some folks.
It has, and we've got a couple of those. We've got Wilfred and Harriet Cleveringa from Northwest Iowa. You're the tour director for Extra Touch Tours, and the extra touch today is the fact that your constituents get to spend a day here at the Drury Inn and Suites at the Kansas City Airport. Do they pay extra for this?
Well, they did a little bit, but not much, and they're getting a lot for their money.
And where are you guys headed?
Mesa, Arizona.
Well, that sounds nice. Although it's been kind of chilly down there. By the time you get there, it'll warm up. When were you supposed to get there?
Supposed to get there Saturday afternoon, but now we've backed it off. We're going to stay here tonight, and we're backing off everybody where we're staying. Great Bend next in Albuquerque.
Wow, nice. Where's the Great Bend? That's in
Great Bend, Kansas.
In western Kansas, right?
Only 250 miles away. So
yeah, well,
gonna
today that's a long trip.
Yeah.
Now, what are the plans today? Now, they've been hulling in there for the breakfast. What is everybody going to do? We got some maybe bingo coming up, or?
We do. We have all kinds of games and activities that we're going to do, and we got people took long party snacks, so we're going to have party snacks. We're just going to make it a day of fun.
Wow.
So we're safe and we're not on the road, and we're just really thankful to be here, and we'll get there a day late, but we're safe, and that's what's good about it.
That's what counts. Now, is there going to be any dancing? I want to know, is there going to be dancing out there in the breakfast area, dinner area?
I don't know if there's any music. We could.
Is that all you guys need is music?
No, I don't think there'll be dancing.
Okay. So there you go. Maria and Mike, no dancing, but a lot of fun as the senior citizens from Iowa and southwest Minnesota, parts of both states, are here, and they're trying to get to Mesa, Arizona. They're going to be backed up a day, but again, better to sit here than try to get down to Wichita in a storm like this, huh?
That's for sure. And they say Mesa has 320 days of sunshine a year, so we'll be ready for that when we get there.
Yeah, by the time you get there, it'll be back into the 70s and maybe near 80. Okay, there you go, Maria. No dancing, but we'll have fun with these fine folks here in Kansas City today. Look at the snow, and Wilfred was even commenting how fast this has changed and how quickly it's come down here this morning.
Yeah, Mike, you know, there's such wonderful sports. I wouldn't rule out dancing. I would not rule out dancing.
Mike, I want you to get that. Maybe at some point, if the snow gets thick enough, you all can do snow angels together or something.
Hey, Harriet, how about a snow angel later today? Would you be game for that? You're the tour director. You got to lead. Oh, wait a minute. You're a tour director. You want to do a snow angel later today?
Oh, when?
Oh, no.
Later today.
Oh, we'll see once out. Are you going to be here?
I'm going to be here all day. I'm here all week.
Okay, well, I hope we're not here all week.
No, you won't be all week. Okay, we'll play it by ear. We'll try to grab somebody and get them out here and get them in the snow. Go inside.
Yeah.
Harriet wouldn't even put a hat on, for God's sakes.
You realize neither of them said, yes, we'll do it, right?
Right.
So
They're so lovely. They're
like,
so sweet.
Mike, appreciate the report. But what good sports, what good attitudes, too. They
goodness.
say, you know what, no big deal.